Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I am really excited for this. I have some happy mail here. This is a PR package from the collab between Archer and Olive and Simply Gilded. I have no idea what this collab is. I have avoided posts on Instagram. I did know that I was receiving this package, but I have no clue what's in it. So we're all going to be surprised together, I hope. So here we go. I had to remove the packing label and I cut open the box just to make this a little quicker. Let's see what we have. Dun, 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 dun. So we have the packing material. I'm not gonna look, just take everything out of the box before I look. So let's see. This is what the card says. It's got my name to me. Archer and Olive plus Simply Gilded collab. We hope you love it. I'm sure I will. Okay, so this is the Archer and Olive. This is Simply Gilded decorative tape. So let's see what the tape looks like first. So let's see. Archer and Olive. Is that showing? And Simply Gilded. Ooh, pretty. So this is a floral. It has foil bows and it's got little decorative elements in the background, like little dots and stars, or starburst kind of stars, not your regular 5-point stars. But that is what that looks like. Pretty cute. Then this has the actual star pattern. Okay, then this is pink, but it's the glittered washi. I can feel the glitter on it with the foil bows, so I'm pretty sure in sunlight the glitter will sparkle. Remember that other experiment? Well, it just happened by accident where the sun was shining through and I could see the sparkle. So I'm pretty sure that's what that is. And this is different. This is a color block. With the pink glitter and this foil pattern. So everything is very elegant and pretty. Okay, so there is that. Let us open up carefully and see what this is. Now, the only Archer and Olive products that I actually own were sent to me in Happy Mail. So I guess I'm getting more Happy Mail in this PR. Let's see what we've got. Wow, look at that pink. Dot grid notebook. Oh, 160 GSM. Ultra thick. Oh, look at it. And it's got a fabric cover. The cover is fabric. Wow. No ghosting or bleeding. Perfect for markers, fountain pens, and even paint. This is so pretty. Look at it. I don't even want to take the packaging off. Let's see. You can slide that down. Look at the... Yeah. I would be afraid to do art journaling in this because it would ruin the cover. And I'm already thinking, what can I get to put on it? Maybe a plastic cover to protect it. And so these go with this perfectly. I'm sure that was the plan, but yeah. This book belongs to Archer and Olive Simply Gilded. Wow. This is very pretty and very... OMG, the paper is pink. Oh my gosh. And it is really heavy, 160 GSM paper. Wow. This is really beautiful. I was not expecting that on the inside for the paper to be pink. Oh, wow. The paper quality, it's amazing. Okay, so it does have the ribbon bookmarks. So you got one. Oh, wow. It has a charm on the other one. I don't know if you can see that. So isn't that like the Archer and Olive? Yes, the Archer and Olive logo charm on the ribbon. I had it upside down, but that's what it looks like. That is really nice. It's too nice to use. Wow. So this is the collab with Simply Gilded and Archer and Olive. I will link to all the information in the description box below if you're interested. This is like a collector's item to me. This is very, very pretty and elegant. And again, here is the washi tape. Oh, let's put down some of the washi. I'll go to the back. Even though I don't know how I want to use this yet, we'll start on the back page with the washi tape. And I want to keep this with it. It has a pocket. Yes, it does. I didn't even show that feature. So it has a pocket in the back where you can tuck things in. And let's put down some washi. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty on this paper. So yeah, I am a pink fanatic, kind of. That really started when my first daughter was born, and she likes pink. And so, yeah, it just went from there. So I'm going to put this one next. And the pattern here is a variety of different types of stars. In that foil, I think it's like a champagne gold foil. So I don't ever know which way these are supposed to go. I'm gonna do it this way because the logo on the inside is that way. That is the washi tape swatched. And also has a little pin loop here. I should do a spread or something in here just to break it in. What do you think? Let's go for it. Okay, so that is it. That is the spread. I used, of course, the Archer Olive notebook with the Simply Gilded collab tapes. I used a few stickers from one of the Kelva Plan Roy G. Biv boxes and florals. The days of the week are from a sticker book from Agenda 52. As you can see, I made my own boxes using the Happy Planner punch and some Tombow markers. And I used a couple of girls. I had to add a little spice in there with a couple of dolls from Isis Ella Jewels. And I just went around the edges with one of the Tombows to make it pink instead of white to blend in a little bit more. So basically the only white is the boxes and of the days of the week in the notes box. So I didn't put any dates so that I can use this anytime I want to if I choose to, but I just wanted to show you an example of how you could use it to make a from scratch layout. You can organize this and make this work any way you want. You could do horizontal. You don't have to do boxes. You could do columns. I believe it is A5 size. So this measures, let's get the ruler involved, about 5 5/8 by 8 1/8. So I'm guessing that's true A5 size. I'm not sure. Anywho, this is how the spread turned out. I think it's really pretty. So I hope you enjoyed this video and unboxing. I hope you'll take a minute to go over and check out the collab. Again, I'll put all the information in the description box below. I believe it releases on the 21st of January 2022, but I will put all the accurate information in the description box below. Please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.